You gotta love it, guys. The energy when Max gets his 3-second solve, the room just erupts. Everyone's congratulating him. Everyone's going crazy. One of my favorite things about whenever someone gets a super fast solve in competition is just the energy that it brings to the venue, as you can clearly see here. You know, and some people actually get a little bit too excited, like Felix Zemdegs. Anyways, that's besides the point. Max's channel will be linked down below. Make sure to go check him out. And here is the full reconstruction of Max Park's 3.63 Rubik's Cube single, starting off with the scramble. Alright guys, this was the scramble that Max got for his 3-second solve. And he ended up deciding to go for the green cross, and he actually made an X cross as well. So yeah, basically the first thing you notice, I'm guessing, is that he saw this pair right here for the cross, had the correct corner piece in it, and all he had to do was do a move this one over to attach it. So he did that all in the back right here though. He did that by doing a D and an L, and that made this corner be in the right spot for the cross to set up an X cross. And the next thing he did was a very simple R prime to put that down, just like so. And then he did an F to finish out the cross. So the cross is kind of done, right? He just had to add this corner piece, or sorry, this edge piece right here for the X cross, and he did that by doing an R prime, U prime, R, and he did a big U prime like that to finish out the cross and give him an X cross that looks just like that. All right, so the first pair that he went for was this one right here. It was this green, red, and yellow with this red and yellow edge, and he did this. He did a U, he broke it up like so, rotated the cube, and then did a back insert just like that. Yeah, pretty basic pair. At this point, he had 2 pairs done, so 2 more to go. The next one he went for was this one right here. It was the green, red, white, and then the white and red edge. So he did a U prime, rotated the cube, did an L prime, U prime L, making the pair right there, and then a very simple insert just like so. And then the last pair was actually done for him, which was this one right here. And this is where he probably could have gotten a world record, maybe. What he did here is he did a U prime, rotated the cube once, did a U prime again, and then did an R, U prime, R prime to insert that last pair. And that was the first 2 layers, and the breakdown of that is pretty insane. And then for the OLL, he did this one right here, and this is actually going to solve the cube, and it looks just like this. And that solved the cube. And that was the full reconstruction of Max Park's 3.63 3x3 single. Super impressive, super fluid. 3 seconds is insane. I mean, breaking so many barriers with Rubik's Cubes. And hopefully he gets the world record sometime here really soon. A full breakdown of his solve though is actually found on this website called speedcubedb.com. And so for the total time was obviously 3.63 seconds. It took him 2.53 seconds for the first 2 layers, 1.1 second for the last layer, and the cross took him 0.87 of a second. That is ridiculous. I mean, 2.53 seconds for the entire F2L is insane. Yeah, so props to Max. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.